Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, February 4th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. All of them were winners. And one of these, I suppose, a couple of them could have been out of the 6. 2 of them could have been a break even for some people. One lot trader certainly would have made money on them, depending on how the management went. Larger size traders could have had a break even, and I'm going to explain everything here. First trade of the day we had was at 8:36 Central Standard Time after this green candle. Market came down mid candle. I said buy 450s. Buy 450s. The market went all the way up to like 758, came back down, closed at 7. So that was almost a 3 to 4 point, well, at least 3. Could have had almost 4 points on the trade. Some people got out when the candle closed at 1907. So that would have been a 2.5 point trade. And then, of course, any runners that you went to, I told everybody that unless this market gets positive, which was up at 850, it was going to have a hard time going higher, and a ZL was going to be coming in. So either get out of the trade or go to entry. So would have made money on your contracts, and any runner you may have would have been taken out there, but not before you made at least 2 to 3 points in the trade. Market came back down. We took a power play short. Power play short, 1895 quarter. We expected that one to go at least 1.5 to 2 points. It did go 1.5. Now anybody who took a point and tried to go for a hold a runner would have had a break even on that trade. Of course, one lot traders would have had a point, and anybody who took more off at a point would have had more than that, depending on how they manage the trade. But that's one where somebody could have potentially had a break even on that trade. Market came up, down, up again. We had an understanding trade. Could have taken it around the 5 quarters. I opted to wait for 770 or 750. 750. We got long at 750 on a buy stop, and that market you'll see went all the way up. We had targets up at 1250 and then 1450. I actually had to delete my chart here because I had a little bit of a ninja issue earlier, but those were my first targets there. Once the market closed here, I told everybody if you're still long and you want to wait for the next target. If you wanted to hit a short, you could hit a short, which was a ZL here. Said it might only come back, couple points. We were gonna try to hold it, for a candle or so. That one came down, made a point. That would have been a break even. But I told people specifically, if you're still long, stay in your longs, because we were actually looking for this thing to go much higher. So that was a beautiful, beautiful trade, even if people got out at the 1250 or 1450. For those people who were out, we had another trade, 1775 long on this big green candle here, 1775 long. That was a new entry or an add-on. Okay, and that one worked for at least 4 to 5 points, up to 5 points, 4 points, and that was a beautiful trade. Market came back down. We talked about potentially getting short in here, but we didn't take that trade. When it came down, again in the middle of the candle, I said I'm going to buy 450s. And I actually, again, my chart got wiped out, guys, but I had my target right up here, and that's where we got out of the trade. Most of our, at least 95% of our contracts, if not completely out, and that was a nice 4-point trade as well. Then the market came down, the room closed. Sam Goldberg came on, our method creator. We had a little chat in here, and that was all she wrote. So we're going to come back again tomorrow and do it all over again, and until then, guys, have a great day.